Unsure of what color temperature lighting to use in your kitchen? Well, stick around because I'm going to show you how to read and understand the Kelvin Color temperature chart and pick the perfect Tresco lighting for your house. Welcome back to Woodworker Express. As always, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below to get notified when we have new videos. Now let's get started. Color temperature is the rating a particular color renders on the Kelvin scale. What makes these important? It alters how an object or a room is perceived when it's illuminated. And Tresco lighting offers a wide range to choose from. Check out this chart. So this is a Kelvin Color temperature chart. The lower the number, the yellower or warmer the light will be. The higher the number, the cooler or whiter and possibly bluer the light will be. So the top two color temperatures right here are marked where the Tresco logo is on the 3000 and on the 5000. These are highly recommended. So let's talk about the 3000 and the 5000. So the 3000 Kelvin lighting is nice and warm. It's perfect for kitchens that are wood grain, stained, and perfect for earth tones. These are not recommended for white cabinets, mostly because it'll cause the cabinets to almost look kind of yellow. Now let's talk about the 5000 Kelvin. This color temperature range is perfect for white cabinets and anything on your bluish tones and possibly even gray tones. It'll give your cabinetry, kitchen, or whatever room you're lighting a nice modern, kind of clean, whitish feel. Now it's really important, at least on a per room basis, that all of your Kelvin scale lighting temperatures kind of equal out or are really close together. You do not want a 3500 and then a 6000 in the same room. That might throw things off and make you feel a little weird. So that means if your under cabinet lighting or in cabinet lighting is registering right about the 3000K on the scale, then all the other lighting in your kitchen should be around that same range. Maybe 32, 27, somewhere in that area. As always, we hope that was really informative and helped you out a little bit. And if you have any questions at all, please leave them down below in the comment section. We'll be more than happy to answer them and help you out on your woodworking journey. And be sure to check out woodworkerexpress.com for all the latest in your woodworking needs. And thank you so much once again for watching. Check out these two videos right here for more woodworking knowledge.